Good morning, everyone. This is Mark Leibovit from VRTrader.com, and this is a Metastock sequential VR update for Tuesday morning, October 7th. As you know, there are two other versions of the VR indicator. We're looking at the sequential. Up here, the Metastock chart I'm circling says VR sequential. We have the directional, which filters out repetitive VRs, and the 2-day, which presents a 2-bar or 2-day trade based on the theory that when everything's in gear here with the stochastic and you get a negative VR or a positive VR, you tend to get a couple-day follow-through in the direction of the VR. We're going to look at a couple situations here this morning of interest. First is the Euro ETF FXE, rising stochastic here actually for 5 or 6 days. A couple positive VRs. We had another one yesterday, Monday. So my bet is we should see more of a rally here in the euro. The dollar came off a little bit yesterday, so this is confirming that a little bit of an uptrend may be underway. I would keep a stop if you are trading under the lows from Friday, which in the FXE is 123.22, and how far it'll go, we'll just have to take it a day or two at a time, but I guess theoretical potential could be all the way up to this blue line, which is the 50-day moving average. We're going to look at FXC now, which is the ETF for the Canadian dollar. Similar pattern there. I guess that's related to the fact that the US dollar was weak, and that done trading yesterday. So here we have a little mixed pattern, but a couple positive VRs. We had a negative VR on Monday, but if you know my thinking, you need to have a 533 stochastic rising to be a buyer, and you have to have a declining 533 to be a seller. So this was a bad signal. We would not have taken it. We would have taken this one, and this one I would take. If you are trading, I'd keep a stop under Monday's low, which is I'm sorry, that would be Friday's low. That would be 88.25 in the FXC. Potential there again could be up to the 50-day moving average. May only be a day or two run, but that certainly looks interesting. And we're also going to look at Tkmr, which as you probably know is one of the hot Ebola plays that has come about here recently. So we're going to put it up here as soon as I can get this up for you on the screen. A little slow here. That's Tkmr Pharmaceutical. Putting up the 50-day sequential, which is one of the options that I like to use. And you can see here all the signals have been working here. Positive VR 1, 2, 3. Positive VRs 4, 5, 6. There's a bug in Metastock, and I don't know if that's a correct term, but it doesn't count beyond 6 VRs. So this is actually the 7th that we saw on Friday. Starting to pull back here a little bit. There's a gap here. Looks like around the 2167 level, so I guess you could pull back there, I suppose, but clear uptrend. If it does pull back to that level, it would be a buy, particularly with all this accumulation of what's going on with the Ebola virus situation. Now I just want to show it to you that well before the news really hit here in the last few days, you saw a clear accumulation pattern here in the Tkmr, and this is one I certainly would consider trading, particularly on a pullback. So that's it for this morning. Have a pleasant day. Thanks for checking in. Again, it's Mark Leibovit, VRTrader.com, and sign up for the VR sequential. It will be of great help to you, as it is to me. Thank you.